Now to the first of our two hardware awards. We have the TCT Hardware Award Polymer Systems. Let's find out which 3D printing system will be named champion in polymer technology for 2025. The highly commended project in this category is AO Backpack for M3 by Carbon Incorporated. To help me present the award itself, please join me in welcoming to the stage, on behalf of our sponsor Luxyours, Harry Dirigal. The winner of the TCT Hardware Award Polymer Systems 2025 is Zeus Hybrid Robotic Cell by Rapid Fusion, in partnership with Extrusion, AI Build, Adaxis and KUKA.
Well, thank you very much, everyone, for coming this evening, and thank you, TCT, for honouring us with this award. Clearly, I didn't sort out a speech because I didn't think I was going to win, but that's cool. So I'm here now. All the credit generally goes to the team. We can't do it without the amazing people around us. And for us as a small business in the UK, we're really passionate about solving real-life problems. Our mission is to ensure that we make 3D printing accessible to everyone, and to do that you need amazing hardware and you need amazing software, and they've got to come together to enable all our dreams of sort of bringing additive manufacturing into reality. Is that we need to put all those parts together, and that all comes from innovation, and that's the core ethos of our business, is to innovate and to solve problems and to make additive manufacturing what it truly can be. And to do that, you need people to make that happen. But thank you very much, guys. I look forward to the future, and see what happens. Cheers.